Hello everyone, good morning. Jai Hind to all of you. So previously we have done till number 6 of exercise number 5.2. Now let's move further. Let's see number 7. Okay. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. See, we need to find the 31st term. That means A31. Okay, and what is given to you? That is 11th term is 38. Therefore, A11 is 38 and 16th term is 73. It means A16 equals to 73. Now see, A11. We can write A11 as A plus 10D equals to 38. So give it equation number 1. And this is A16, that is A plus 15D equals to 73. Equation number 2. Now if you solve these two linear equations which are in variables A and D, so you will get the values of A and D. After you getting the values of A and D, you substitute these values in A31. What is A31? A31, that is A plus 30D, right? So sorry, if we put the values of A and D here, so we get 31st term, right? So you can do this further. Number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. That means there are total 50 terms in AP. Therefore, our n is 50. Third term is 12. That means A3 is 12. And last term is 106. Last term. टोटल AP में 50 टर्म्स है, तो लास्ट भी 50 टर्म ही होगा. सो A50 is 106. Okay, find 29th term. That means we need to find A29. Similarly, as we done above, okay, further you can find A29 by this procedure. Okay. Number 9. Yes. If third term and ninth term of an AP are, third term that is A3 is 4, A3 that is A plus 2D equals to 4, and ninth yani A9, ninth term is minus 8. Ninth term, that is A plus 8D equals to minus 8, right? So again, if we solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 by elimination of substitution method, so we get the values of A and D. Same procedure again, right? But after that, which term of this AP is 0? We have any type of AP. Suppose कोई AP है जिसका third term 4 and ninth term is minus 8. That means for this AP, इसमें ऐसा कौन सा टर्म होगा जो 0 होगा? होगा कि नहीं होगा, ये भी हमें पता नहीं. सो जैसा हमने -150 वाले में 6 नंबर में किया था कि an को हमने 150 सपोज किया था -150, राइट? Why? Because we don't know. Okay, so we need to suppose here, suppose any nth term is 0. Now putting these values in formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? An is 0. Values of a and d, from this eliminate this and you get the values of a and d and substitute here, then you get the value of n. If n is any positive integer, right, so we can say that that term is a 0. Otherwise any negative number, any fraction form, so we can say that there is no one term 0 in this AP. Okay. Yes. Then again you can do. Okay, 11th, most important. 11th, which term of this AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th टर्म। यानी इस AP का ऐसा कौन सा टर्म होगा जो 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा है, बट हमें तो पता नहीं है, राइट। तो सपोज एनी nth टर्म an which is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, now an is a plus n minus 1 into d. A54 is a plus 53 d and plus this 132 as it is, right? Now substitute values. A is 3 plus n minus 1 d is 15 minus 3, that is 12, equals to again a, again 3 plus 53, again d, again 12 plus 132. Now see this 3 right, कॉमन आ जाएगा, कट हो जाएगा। अगेन यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे भी 12 है, यहाँ पे भी 12 कॉमन आ सकता है, राइट। Why? 12 11s are 132. Okay, so if we take here n minus 1 into 12 को चलो पहले लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, so 12 कॉमन, राइट, इक्वल्स टू यहाँ से 12 कॉमन ले लो, so remaining 53 plus 12 11s are, right, so 12 ये जो 12 है वो मल्टीप्लाई में से डिवाइड में जाएगा, so 12 कट, therefore n minus 1 53 plus 11, that is 64, right, and 64 plus 1, therefore n equals to 65, right। so आपको यहाँ पे नीचे क्या स्टेटमेंट लिखना है, therefore 65th term of an AP is 132 more than its 54th term, right? Okay, now yes, 12 again important. Okay, two APs have same common difference. अभी तक आप लोगों ने जो सम्स देखे उसमें सिर्फ एक ही AP थी, राइट। नाउ वी हैव two APs but with same common difference, and difference between their 100 term is 100. So what is the difference between them 1000 term? देखो, कोई भी AP, if you compare any AP to the another AP, and if the difference, common difference between them is same, so you can see कि उसका जो फिफ्थ टर्म का डिफरेंस होगा, 10th टर्म, 100 टर्म, 1000 टर्म, राइट, उसका जो डिफरेंस होगा व्हिच रिमेन्स सेम फॉर ऑल द टर्म्स, राइट। सो यहाँ पे अगर 100 टर्म का डिफरेंस 100 है, सो ऑब्वियसली 1000 टर्म का डिफरेंस भी 1000 ही होगा, राइट। बट हियर वी नीड टू शो, सो लेट अस फर्स्ट लेट वी हैव टू AP, सो AP नंबर 1, it is A1, A2, A3 to AN, and second AP B1, B2, B3 till bn. Now it is given that common difference are same. So it is given that now common difference for this AP is A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 and so on, and which is D, right? Same for this, B2 minus B1, B3 minus B2 and so on is again D, because both are same, common difference is same, right? Now it is given that यहाँ पे आपकी ये जो AP है उसका फर्स्ट टर्म आप स्मॉल a लेते हो, सिमिलरली इसके लिए स्मॉल b हो जाएगा, राइट? नाउ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट 100 टर्म इज 100. ओके, so it is given that A100 यानी 100 टर्म ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट AP and B100, that is 100 term of second AP. Difference between them, right, is 100. So therefore, chalo A100, that is A plus 99D minus B100, that is B plus 99D equals to 100. Now open the bracket. So A plus 99D minus B minus 99D equals to 100. Now this 90 cut, so we have remaining A minus B equals to 100. Give it number 1. See, A minus B, what is A? A is first term of first AP and B is first term of second AP. So अगर दोनों के फर्स्ट टर्म का डिफरेंस भी 100 है, दोनों के 100 टर्म का डिफरेंस भी 100 है, सो ऑब्वियसली 1000 टर्म का डिफरेंस भी क्या होगा, 100 ही होगा. ओके, बट शो करना पड़ता है ना मैथ्स में. ना जो फाइंड करना है A1000 minus B1000. What is A1000? A1000 is A plus 999D minus B1000 is B plus 999D. Now open the bracket. So here A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. So this one is cut. So A minus B. But what is A minus B? A minus B is 100. So from 1 we can say that A minus B is 100, right? And hence the difference between their 1000 term is also 100. Okay, so ये statement लिखना है आपको नीचे. Okay. Now 13, 14. It's very easy. देखो 13 में क्या करना है? How many 3 digits numbers which are divisible by 7? 7 से divisible हो ऐसे 3 डिजिट के नंबर कितने हैं वहां पे? ठीक है, सो क्या करना है 13 में? 3 डिजिट नंबर्स आर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 100 टू 999, बट उतने नंबर्स में डिविजिबल बाय 7. ओके, 7 से डिविजिबल हो ऐसे कितने नंबर्स हैं? सो फर्स्ट 100 is not divisible by 7, 101 is not divisible by 7, 2 is also not, 3, 4, yes, 5 is divisible. 15 sevens are 105, right? So first 3 digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105. Then 7 add करो, so 112, 119 until 999 which is also not divisible by 7. So 98 वो भी नहीं होगा, 4 भी, yes, 7 भी नहीं होगा, 6 भी नहीं होगा, 5 भी नहीं होगा, 4 हो जाएगा, right? So 994 which is divisible by 7. So here we have A, difference is D, and AN last term is 994. So substitute these all values in our formula A plus N minus 1 into D. an is 994 equals to a is 105 plus n minus 1 and difference is 7. Okay, so you get the value of n, that is total number of terms in this AP. That means यहाँ पे suppose आपको 50 numbers मिले, so at the end you need to write, so there are total 50 numbers, sorry, so there are total 50 numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay, and also you can you have to write 3 digit numbers. Okay, so there are total 53 digit numbers between, otherwise you can write 3 digit numbers which are divisible by 7 between 100 and 999, या अदरवाइज आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो कि 3 डिजिट नंबर्स, क्योंकि इसका मीनिंग भी वही हुआ ना, क्योंकि वो सारे नंबर्स 3 डिजिट के, ठीक है। सो एट द एंड वो फुल स्टेटमेंट आपको वहां पे लिखना है। ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली 14 वो आप होमवर्क में कर सकते हो, राइट, सेम एज अबव। सो योर टुडेज होमवर्क इज complete class work till question number 15 of exercise number 5.2. okay, okay, so यहाँ तक, सॉरी 15 नहीं 14 तक। ओके, 14 आप होमवर्क में कर सकते हो, उसमें 10 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 250 पे एंड हो रहा है, एंड 4 के मल्टीपल्स दैट मींस जो 4 से डिविजिबल, सो 10 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4, 11 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4, बट 12, सो आपकी एपी स्टार्ट होगी 12 से, 12, 16, 20 एंड लास्ट 250, बट 250 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो 249 वो भी नहीं है, 248 हो जाएगा। सो योर nth टर्म यानी लास्ट टर्म यहाँ पे आपका 248 आएगा। सेम फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, n यानी टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन द गिवन एपी आपको मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, ओके, सो सी यू नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, टिल देन गुड बाय, टेक केयर।